Today I have the Lava Blaze Curve with me, and this smartphone brings some premium features in the budget smartphone category. Now 2024 has been a great year so far. We are already seeing a lot of launches from many popular brands in the budget segment. With that, Lava has also launched a brand new smartphone in the under 20,000 rupees price category, the Lava Blaze Curve. Now I have been using the Lava Blaze Curve for a long time now, and in this video I'll tell you if this particular smartphone is a good offering in the under 20,000 rupees price category. Hey guys, my name is Ashwin, you guys are watching Gadgets 360 and this is our long-term review of the Lava Blaze Curve. So let's get started. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G comes with a fairly solid glass sandwich design. The device has a dual curved design with the display and back panel both being curved, which overall gives the device a comfortable holding experience. The device weighs 189 grams and is 8.8 mm thick. Also, it is available in two color options, Viridian glass and the one that we have, iron glass. On the back, you get a matte finish glass back panel with three different camera modules. The frosted finish gives it a premium feel and it does a good job at avoiding fingerprints. Between the glass sandwich design, you get a plastic frame that has the SIM tray, microphone, Type-C port and speaker grill on the bottom, power and volume rockers on the right and secondary noise cancelling microphone and another speaker output at the top. Coming to the front, there's this large curved AMOLED display which I'll come to in a minute. Overall, the built-in design of the Lava Blaze Curve is quite good for the price. The Lava Blaze Curve features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and 800 nits of peak brightness. The device also supports HDR10 Plus and Wideband L1. And you also get an optical in-display fingerprint sensor that is a very nice touch. One thing to mention is that Lava has not mentioned any front display glass protection as such, so using a screen protector is recommended. The display experience on Lava Blaze Curve is fairly good. The colors look bright and vibrant, and thanks to slim bezels and curved display, the content consumption experience is also very good. Now, although the brand says the peak brightness is 800 nits, but outdoor visibility is not an issue. It is fairly usable in harsh sunlight. The 120Hz on this display also feels very smooth thanks to the clean software experience. One thing to mention is that I faced a weird issue with auto brightness where the brightness changes rapidly and there is an issue with the calibration. Now this issue can be fixed with future software updates. The Lava Blaze Curve runs on a clean Android skin based on Android 13, which is disappointing in 2024. At least Lava should have gone with Android 14 out of the box. But other than that, Lava has promised 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches. In the software, you get a fairly clean experience with no ads or no major bloatwares other than the ones from Google. The software is smooth and snappy and the animations with the 120Hz display looks very fluid. You get some additional features in the settings panel which I found very handy. Options like double click to lock, smart sidebar, app cloner and Dolby Atmos really enhances the user experience. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G is available in two variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB of storage and 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. Both variants come with UFS 3.1 storage. And you can extend the RAM by up to 16GB with the RAM extension feature. In the heart of the device, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC. For the performance, the device felt very smooth and snappy. App opening and closing, jumping between multiple apps and multitasking were very smooth. RAM management was also very good. It did keep most of my apps opened all the time. For raw performance, we played BGMI on it intensively and it ran pretty well. The game was able to run at smooth plus extreme settings. In our gaming test, the game ran smoothly most of the time. There were some frame drops here and there, but most of the time it was running at over 50 plus FPS, which is a good number for a budget device. Heating was also not very major after hours of gaming. It does get a bit warm, but nothing very concerning. The Lava Blaze Curve comes equipped with a triple rear camera setup with a 64MP primary camera with Sony IMX686 sensor. Also, you get an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro camera. Sadly, there is no OIS in the primary camera. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera. The primary camera captures pretty bright and vibrant images. The colors are on the boosted side all the time. You would see a bit of weird sharpening in all the images. The camera struggles to keep up with the colors and messes up the details a bit. In harsh lighting situation, the camera struggles to keep up with the HDR. In low light, the dedicated night mode works decently well. The lack of OIS means sometimes you get shaky footage in low light. Overall, the photos at night are bright and vibrant, and you will see a lot of grains here and there. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera performs how you expect it to. You will see a shift in colors, which is common in many smartphones. I was pleasantly happy with the images. Comparing, most budget smartphones suffer the most in the ultra-wide camera department. Although they lack details, but you can't expect much from an 8 megapixel sensor. Finally, the 2 megapixel macro camera is something that I felt is just there to add up in the numbers. You can go as close as 2 centimeters with the macro camera. It lacks details and does not produce very good images. For the video side, you can record up to 4K 30 FPS from the primary camera. The footage looks bright and vibrant, and there is a bit of sharpening there. Although I found that the stabilization in the videos was a huge miss. The 32 megapixel selfie camera does a decent job with skin tones. You get decent selfies with good colors, but they lack sharpening this time. It handles the dynamic range decently well, which I was not expecting. In portrait mode, you get a good cutout of the subject. All in all, for day-to-day selfies, the front shooter will get the job done. Also, you can record videos at up to 1080p 30 FPS from the front camera, and the videos look very average. The device features a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt of fast charging, and you get the charging adapter in the box. The battery life on the Lava Blaze Curve was excellent. The phone was easily able to last throughout a day with mixed heavy usage. I used a lot of cameras, some gaming, and mostly social media, and the phone was able to keep up with me easily. I was actually impressed by the battery backup that I got. In terms of charging the device with the 33 watt charging adapter took about 30 minutes to charge 50% and around 1 hour 15 minutes to charge 100%, which is a decent speed. The Lava Blaze Curve is priced at Rs. 17,999 for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and 18,999 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB variant. The features like clean software experience, great battery life, great curved AMOLED display, premium build and solid performance with no ads or no bloatware makes it a good pick under 20,000 rupees. But if great camera performance and latest software is something that you are looking for, then this would disappoint you. Tell us your thoughts about the Lava Blaze Curve in the comment section below. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech. Peace. Thank you.